Saboni Dhara. Welcome to my channel Saboni Dhara. Today we will going to start with the SP chapter number 3, and the next topic is issue of shares. As you can see very well, in the last lecture we have gone through with the classification of the shares, wherein we have gone through with the paid up capital, calls in arrears, called up capital, uncalled up capital, reserve capital, subscribed, unsubscribed capital, issued, unissued, etc. So all this capital we have gone through with a very big chart, which is a very important chart for exam point of view and for your career point of view. So today we will going to start with the next topic, which is called as issue of shares. So students, now as you all know that companies are always been raised their capital through issue of shares. Not only that, but also borrowed fund, but the own fund is issued of shares. So today our topic is going to be start from the issue of shares. So let's start. A company may need capital to start a new project or to expand or diversify its existing business or to repay its old debts. So, it means that whenever the company is unable to go ahead, जब भी कोई भी कंपनी को कुछ स्टार्ट करना रहता है, नया प्रोजेक्ट या डाइवर्सिफिकेशन करना रहता है, या अपने ही बिजनेस में एक रूट बनाना चाहते हैं, on that particular time they used to raise the funds. So they used to raise the funds through issue of shares. So students, in this case the company has to raise in two ways, that is a preference shares or the equity shares, which is also known to be as ordinary shares, as you can see here. Okay, so in this particular thing you can understand and conclude how the company is going to share the things. On the other hand, methods of issue of share means what? So now how the company is going to issue the shares through different kinds of methods. So methods will be a different. Say for example, methods of issue of share is divided into different parts. That is A, which is called as public offer. That is B, existing equity share holders, and C, existing employees, and D1, that is private placement. So these all are the four main category for the issue of shares. So students, now as I told you that methods of the issue of shares is bifurcated into four ways. That is a public offer. Next one is existing equity share holders, and the third one is that is C1, existing employees, and the fourth one is private placement. So with this particular theme we will going to go ahead with the proper explanations and the meaning for the particular terms and conditions as well. So let's start. So now, as I told you just now, number first one is public issue or public offer of the shares. This is to be known as the offering the shares to the public. ये ऐसा शेयर होता है जो पब्लिक को ऑफर किया जाता है, and this is the most common method used by the companies nowadays. And the company invites the public. company क्या करता है, पब्लिक को invite करता है ताकि वो सब्सक्राइब करे सारे shares by issuing the prospectus. So prospectus is nothing, it is one kind of an advertisement for the investors to get an attract and also to get all the informations and the details of the company. Next one, before go ahead, I just want to explain you one more thing, which is in the public issue or public offer of the share, fixed price issue method is also over there, which is the sub point of public issue offer, that is public offer of the shares. So as I told you that it is the sub point of public issue or public offer of the shares, let's start with the first point, that is fixed price issue method. So under this method, the company states in its prospectus the quantity and the price at which the shares are offered at to the public, the subscribers और the investors. So जो इंटरेस्टेड हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए उनको और उनके लिए ये प्राइस दिया जाता है, आर आस्क्ड टू पे अ सर्टेन पोर्शन ऑफ द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर. उनको बोला जाता है कि कुछ अमाउंट तक आपको शेयर्स का परचेस करना पड़ेगा, फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर्स का, or entire issue price along with the application. The company comes to know the demand of its shares only after the subscription period ends. Company can issue shares at par or premium. Fixed price method is used for all the types of these issues, that is public issue, right issue, and ESOS, that is employee stock option scheme. So through this kind of a thing, the fixed price issue method is being introduced in front of the investors as well as for the subscribers, those who are interested. So they are being offered to the public that they can pay a certain portion of the face value of the shares, or they can purchase entire issue of the price of the application also. So this is what called price, that is fixed price issue method. Now here we will go ahead with the book building method. So what do you mean by book building method? Under this method, the issuer company determines the number of the shares and the issue price at which its shares will be sold by binding process. The company issues a red herring prospectus which contains price range or price band and asks the investors to bid on it. As you know, bid means नीलामी करना, ओके, बोली लगाना, ये सारी चीज़ों को बोला जाता है. सो द लोअर एंड ऑफ द प्राइस, जो भी लोअर एंड ऑफ द प्राइस रहेगा उसको फ्लोर प्राइस कहा जाता है, वाइल द हाइएस्ट एंड इज कॉल्ड एज द कैप प्राइस. सो जो भी हाईएस्ट प्राइस रहता है उसको क्या बोला जाता है? कैप प्राइस बोला जाता है, और नहीं तो सीलिंग प्राइस बोला जाता है. द फाइनल प्राइस एट विच शेयर्स आर ऑफर्ड टू द इन्वेस्टर्स इज कॉल्ड एज कट ऑफ प्राइस. जो भी फाइनल रहेगा प्राइस उसको क्या बोला जाएगा? कट ऑफ प्राइस बोला जाएगा. सो इन्वेस्टर्स कैन बिड एनी नंबर्स ऑफ द शेयर्स दैट दे आर विलिंग टू बाय at any price within the price band only. So within that price band only they need to buy. So that is what your book building method is talking about. The next one is binding is kept open for 5 days. So ये actually 5 दिनों के लिए open रखा जाता है. The bids along with the application money is to be submitted to the lead merchant banker which is called as book runners, जिसको क्या बोला जाता है? book runners बोला जाता है, and who enters bid in a book. After binding is over, जब भी वो bidding हो जाता है, बिल्कुल भी ख़त्म हो जाता है, the company fixes cut off price. तभी कंपनी क्या करता है? फिक्स प्राइस कट ऑफ तय करता है, एंड बेस्ड ऑन द हाईएस्ट बेस्ट प्राइस, नहीं तो हाईएस्ट नहीं तो बेस्ट प्राइस उसको बोलते हैं, एट विच ऑल द शेयर्स ऑन ऑफर कैन बी सोल्ड. So company issues a prospectus which contains the final price, जिसके अंदर क्या रहता है? final price रहता है. Book building method is used for public issue, that is IPO, that is initial public offer, and FPO, that is first public offer. So these all are the things wherein you will come to know about the book building method. Am I clear this point to everyone?